Guys, I'm going to be showing you how to get the lightning staff in Origins. The first part, there's 5 parts to the staff. You need 5. The first part is right here, but it spawns in 3 different locations, and I will show you the 3 locations it spawns. It spawns here.
Do I stand alone against our oppressors?
It will spawn on this table at Gen 4. Just a second.
My own survival. Zombie blood.
Or it will spawn in Wind Tunnel.
Different. The foul
Right down
stench
here.
floods my nostrils.
Right on this little base right here. That's where the disc for the lightning staff spawns. Now, the second part, you're going to need to get in the tank, and it's going to be located at church. So we're going to go activate the tank right now.
Vehicle may prove useful. Brace yourselves. Starting the tank.
Guys, this is the first location for the lightning staff. Yep, there we go.
As far as I go.
Right here, there's a little purple thing.
To find other staff parts.
Guys, the next part for the lightning staff is coming up now. Is at excavation. Right in here.
There may be other staff parts nearby.
The third part is in church, but I won't be able to grab it. I have to take the tank around again. And the last part is in church, and I'm on my way to get it. It's better to do this with 2 people, for you won't have to make 3 trips.
Demons fight for control of the generators. Our flamethrower will reduce their numbers.
Now we are on the way to get the last part to the lightning staff, which is the shard, or the crystal as other people call it. As you can see, we're about to go inside the lightning tunnel right now. And yes, you do need the gramophone to get into each place, and you need the disc for that certain cave, or else it will not work. There is your last piece to the lightning staff. Now we're gonna go craft it. Alright guys, we're on our way to craft the lightning staff. You go to the top of excavation where Pack-a-Punch is, and you walk all the way down. And you go up to the purple pedestal, and you craft it, and that's how you get your lightning staff. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and leave a like.